What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chomp Change Production. See, talk about this coin market cap today. Bitcoin is at $6,682, up 2.78%. Ethereum's up 3.32% at 476.75. Ripple's at 49 cents, up 2.19%. Bitcoin Cash is at 764.93, up 1.04%. Yeah, so the market is going up. Bitcoin's going up some. Let's check out Bitcoin's dominance. It's at 41.8. Yeah. I can't wait for $50,000 for Bitcoin this year. I can't wait for it to get up that high. I'm going to be celebrating for real. You know what I'm saying? So, this is the coin I'm thinking about buying about 3,000 of. Citadel. I guess I can't show it to you. Give it a second to load up. But yeah, this coin right here, man, it done went up a lot. It's at 7 cents now. This is the coin I'm thinking about buying about 3,000 of. It's on Cryptopia. I'm trying to find these guys' website. So anyway, I'm trying to get like 3,000 of them. I'm also gonna be picking up some more Colossians X. Man, I can't find anything on it. That's crazy. Yeah. So if you guys haven't picked up Crypto Compare yet, go ahead and get you an account. It's free. You can document all your trades on this site. Then at tax time, you just pull up your record and put how much you paid for the coin, what your profits were, what your losses were, and just bang them out like that. I'm real focused on Neo. I got 13.4 of them. I'm trying to get to 100 before December. Hopefully I get there. And I'm hoping that it gets to $1,000 so I can have some real good profit. You know what I'm saying? And just go from there. But that's about all I got for today's video. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. You guys have a good 4th of July. The rest of it, it's 11:15, so it's only 45 more minutes to the 4th of July. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys on the next one. This is Antoine with Chump Change Production, and I'm out. Peace.